Hello CS157 students. This is a lecture on getting started with the Codiva environment for writing complete Java programs. Using CodingBat, up until now you've been putting code inside of methods and you've never seen anything outside of a method. Now we're going to start writing whole Java programs, which you did in Python, and then you could save your program in a file and then reload it with Jez. So that's what we're going to be doing. Previously I invited you to download and install NetBeans. Some students had a problem with that. Codiva.io is a online environment which I found, which seems to do many of the things that we might want for this class and has the same mental model as NetBeans. So this is a recording showing you how to start a program in Java in Codiva. So go to Codiva.io and create an account and log in, and you should find yourself with a screen something like this, and you click New Project and we'll create a project. Now the thing to understand is that one program is going to be called one project here, and the main idea is that a project can have several files inside of it. And this is more true in Java than in Python, but in general in most programming languages you could have several files put together to make a single program. So we're going to put several files together. It's called a project. Think of it as a program, and that'll work. And we'll just call our project here very unoriginally. We'll call it P1. Alright. The first thing we need is to make a file. For our first file, we'll have several files in this program, in this project, and typically the first file is going to be the same name as the project. So this will be p1.java. And it's telling you it's going in the source directory, but there can be other directories. Okay, so this is our skeleton of our program. We'll talk about the class thing in a little bit in another video. The main method is where every program starts. So every program that you write is actually has a method called main, and some external god inside the computer, when you want to run the program, calls the main method, and then your program runs. So everything is like a big call to one subroutine called main, and then inside of main is where everything happens. Of course, main can cause other subroutines that you write. Typically it will. The other thing to notice here is that this here complicated looking system.out.println is how you write print in Java. This is what you would have written in Jez. Okay, so you will memorize system.out.println, and that will mean print stuff. Also notice here that the double slash is equivalent to the Python hash mark comment. So everything from the double slash to the end is a comment. So here we have a program with a main method. It has a single line of code in it, which is the print. You're familiar with this by now. We'll hit run, and the output will come out in this area called console. You scroll up a little bit to see it. So there was the result that came out. Happiness, you can do it. Okay, so that's the end of recording number 1. Next recording, we'll see about making some more classes.